Had some flooring replaced, but after it was done, had a couple doors that wouldn't close properly. One in the bathroom and one in the closet bedroom. You can see here it's just squeezing
Probably mark it with
up
a
against the
pen
bottom.
where we need it. And just
It's a fairly simple fix. Often order these doors and they trim them to size, so it can just trim off the bottom,
not much.
no problem. This way is faster and easier than modifying the carpet for sure. And about the easiest way to take the door off is just to unscrew the hinges and re-screw it back in. You can also slip the pins out and do it that way. I opted with pulling the hinges off. I show some tricks for reinstalling doors by yourself in other videos. And then to use this skill saw, you gotta rotate the blade guard forward first for a cut this thin. It's a nice easy deal to trim it off.
Not at all.
Set it back on.
Good.
It's good to go. It's just a nice easy fix.
Okay.
Done deal.
Beautiful.